नमस्कार खमागणी आज पराजय शुभ हार्दिक स्वागत राजस्थान पोलो क्लब पर जयपुर पोलो सीजन 2026 आज का फाइनल खेला जाएगा राजमाता गायत्री देवी मेमोरियल कप 6 गोल का टूर्नामेंट और कामयाब रहे फाइनल्स तक पहुंचने में। ऑप्टिमस अचीवर्स खेलेंगे सफेद में, उनके खिलाफ जिंदल बेदला नारंगी रंग ऑरेंज कलर में। Request for a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for that very smart on the grand on the 17th Sikalai. Match is the Gurpreet in command. We'll go in for a quick and close introduction. I request for a big round of applause when the players are riding out. आप सबसे निवेदन है, आप हम नाम पुकारें, जब खिलाड़ी निकलें राइड आउट करें तो आपसे तालियों के साथ स्वागत करें। Going left to right, we have the team Jindal Bedla, Rao Himmat Singh Bedla at +1. Young upcoming player Venkatesh Jindal at scratch. Mr. Phil Seller at +2. And playing back for Jindal Bedla, Sridham Sharma at +3. A man to watch very carefully. Umpires on field, Mr. Jason Dixon, Mr. Howard Smith, both professional umpires from the United Kingdom. Playing for Optimus Achievers in the white, we have young upcoming player, just barely 14 years old, Aryaman Singh at -2. Savir Mirad Godara at scratch. Shamshir Ali at +4. And playing back is Daniel Ottomandi at +4. And the third man, referee for this afternoon's finals, General Manager Ramba Kalish, Rajkumar Sultan Singh, ready to roll in the ball. Let's have a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. पूरा आज के मैच की फोटोग्राफर्स से निवेदन आप बोर्ड के पीछे हो जाएं and we have Daniel taking it on the near side. It is Siddhant Daniel on the near side. Siddhant Sharma marking him. Aryaman on the near side takes a good pass. It is Siddhant. And the ball out of play over the back line. Siddhant taking that hit in. Good strike. It's Shamshir Ali, Chamma. Daniel Ottomandi, Phil Seller, Phil for Jindal Bedla on the near side, Himmat right over. Daniel picks the ball, Siddhant is claiming. It is Daniel Ottomandi. Daniel, a man to watch very carefully. Daniel, Siddhant gets the better. Siddhant, he is on the kill. Siddhant Sharma for Jindal Bedla. Siddhant and goal. And Siddhant Sharma going first back. Siddhant Sharma. Umpire Howard Smith rolls in the ball. Siddhant, Shamshir, Sharma, Himmat, and umpire's whistle. Optimus Achievers के विदेश से आई खिलाड़ी Shamshir Ali backing him up. It is Daniel, leaves it for Sharma, Saeed Shamshir Ali is there, is forwards waiting for a pass. Savir is being watched very carefully by Phil. Shamshir Ali takes a long shot but missing the mark. Siddhant taking that hit in from the stadium and Siddhant Sharma making a good run. Siddhant. It is Daniel watching over him very carefully. Daniel Ottomandi. Along the board, Daniel trying to control the ball. It is Siddhant asking him there. Daniel still in command of the ball. Shamma backs him up, leaves it for Shamshir Ali. Shamshir wasting no time, takes a long lofted shot, good pass on his forward. Savir making a good run. Savir Udara. And very well defended there by Venkatesh. Playing for Jindal Bedla. Shamma stands a big chance to score. Shamshir Ali. Shamma. He tried for a next shot. Siddhant Sharma. Siddhant Phil going up front. Siddhant. It's a very long ball. He's being watched very carefully by Shamshir Ali. Siddhant takes a long strike. Siddhant. It is Daniel. Himmat Bedla. Himmat Daniel. Ottomandi. Daniel. Siddhant. Daniel. He is trying to get back to the ball. Siddhant. Venkatesh takes a near side back. It is Siddhant. Shamma takes it on the near side. Phil Seller on the near side back. It is Phil Seller, Venkatesh. Ariman takes a back. Himmat Bedla. Himmat. Siddhant on the back. Himmat picks the ball. Now Himmat Bedla. Daniel rides him off, gets back on the ball. Daniel Ottomandi. Himmat Bedla on the near side back. Siddhant takes a good crack on the shot. It is Phil Seller, Savir. Shamma on the back. Shamshir Ali. Daniel Ottomandi. Daniel taking the ball. Daniel. Going after this achievers with Daniel. Now Himmat stretching out. He is trying to catch up with Daniel. Daniel Ottomandi. And 1.5 to 1 in the first chapter. Umpire rolls in the ball. Ball in a belly. Siddhant promotes the ball onto Himmat. Himmat stands a good chance to score. It is now Himmat Bedla for Bedla Jindal. Himmat Bedla. Now Himmat Singh Bedla. Getting that second goal for Jindal Bedla. Member of Parliament. Also a polo player. Ball in play. It is Siddhant picking the ball. Siddhant missing the ball on the bounce. It is Phil Seller. Phil Seller backing him up. He's got Shamshir Ali marking him. Phil Seller got the line. Phil Seller. Hits the goal post and rolls out of play. Daniel taking that hit from the Nargad and Daniel Ottomandi. Daniel being watched very carefully. First took the sound with 30 seconds to go. Siddhant and we have the umpire's whistle. Good. Good. Key penalty center of the ground in favor of Optimus Achievers. Shamshir Ali takes a long grounded shot. Good pass on to Savir. Savir is marked there by Venkatesh. It is Savir trying hard. Venkatesh. Siddhant Sharma, that is. Siddhant. Phil on the near side. He picks the ball. Phil Seller. Daniel. Siddhant. Daniel trying for a back, couldn't connect. It is Rao Himmat Bedla. Himmat, he promotes the ball ahead on to Venkatesh. Daniel. Jindal Bedla claiming Daniel missing the ball on the bounce. It is Phil Seller. Phil. Savir takes on to the next shot. Daniel gets onto the ball. Daniel Ottomandi. He combines well with Shamshir Ali. Shamshir Ali is there forward waiting for a pass. He's being marked by Siddhant. Himmat Bedla takes a near side back. Going to the far right. Daniel Ottomandi. Himmat. Good save there. Savir takes a near side back. Siddhant. Defending well. Siddhant Sharma turning that game around. For Jindal Bedla. Siddhant.
Tiene la tordilla ya.
Got the line of the ball. He promotes it onto his forward. Excellent pass onto Himmat Kedla and Venkatesh Jindal and umpires. Daniel Otmandi. Daniel. He's backed up by Shamsir Ali. Daniel has the line. He's got Rao Himmat Kedla marking him. Daniel and Himmat fighting it out, backing for the ball. Daniel, Phil Seller, Shamsir Ali, Chamba, Phil, Siddhant, excellent pass onto Himmat, Phil, Daniel, and we have the batsman की shot की तैयारी में. Siddhant takes a cracking shot, making no mistakes. Siddhant getting that third goal. He's played also the World Cup, ladies and gentlemen. Very newly married also, Siddhant Sharma. Ball in play, back to the game. It is Siddhant. Good pass on to Phil. He's got Daniel marking him. Daniel Otmandi. Daniel. Savir. Daniel. Phil Seller. Daniel gets the better. Daniel Otmandi for Optimus Achievers. It is Daniel forwards there. Savir. Ariman. Daniel. Himmat was able to stop him. Savir on a back. Excellent pass. Tries to pass it to Shamsir Ali. Game turning around. It is Ariman. Ariman tries for a near side. Back and connects Phil Seller. Phil Seller for Jindal Kedla. Phil making good on it. Savir is marking it. Phil Seller. Phil ball rolling and out of play. After the game, Shamsir Ali promotes a long pass to Savir. Siddhant gets the better, goes in for the side back. Siddhant Sharma. Aryaman trying for a back, deflected with the horse. It was Venkatesh there, marking him. It is Daniel Otmandi, Daniel, Phil Seller. Phil, and we have the umpires. Daniel Otmandi. It goes through the goal. He got the goal post, but he went through the goal. Daniel Otmandi, Kamyab. Umpire Howard Smith goes in the ball. Siddhant, Daniel Siddhant on the near side. Siddhant Sharma. Takes a brilliant shot, excellent pass on to Himmat, Kedla. And game stops. Ambulance से निवेदन है आप रिजल्ट ग्राउंड में आए. Ambulance. That's Himmat Kedla. कोई भी व्यक्ति मैदान में नहीं जाएगा. आपसे निवेदन है आप जहाँ हैं वहीं विराजमान रहेंगे. It is mandatory, ladies and gentlemen, every match on standby we keep an ambulance. This is kind courtesy, Santo Padulla Memorial Hospital, where we just have to Himmat Kedla. I've seen up and about. Strong fighter. Rao Himmat Singh Kedla. Siddhant takes a cracking shot, making no mistakes, getting that fourth goal. Howard Smith goes to the ball. It is Daniel picks the ball. Daniel Otmandi. Siddhant keeping a watch over him. Daniel takes a cut shot. Look at that cut shot. What cut shot. Ball rolling, past the line. And an excellent goal. Daniel umpire rolls in the ball. Aryaman takes out with the neck. Excellent pass on to Savir. Savir picks the ball very well. Savir Merad Godara. Savir sends a good chance to score for Optimus Achievers. Savir. Now Himmat Kedla saves it very well. And it is Shamsir, Siddhant, Venkatesh, Phil Seller. That is Phil Seller. It is Siddhant. Forwards going up front. Venkatesh and Phil Seller. Siddhant, he releases the ball onto Phil. Phil picks the ball. Phil Seller, excellent pass onto Venkatesh. It is Daniel marking Phil. Daniel defending for Optimus Achievers. Phil Seller on a backhand. Excellent. And the ball goes out of play over the backhand. Daniel Otmandi takes a hit in from the Nargiden. He leaves it for Chamma. First to the sound with 30 seconds to go. Shamsir Ali takes a long strike, releasing the ball. It is Siddhant. Siddhant goes in for open back. On to Himmat Rao. Ariman gets the better near side back. It is Himmat Bedla. Takes a good long shot. But Daniel Otmandi. Daniel is there defending for Optimus Achievers. Himmat Bedla keeps it in play. Phil Seller stands a good chance to score. Phil Seller for Polo, ladies and gentlemen. Polo is not solo. It's a team game. That was an excellent work there by Rao Himmat Bedla. And all the good work done. Each player, horses, the team giving out their best, playing the finals of Rajmata Gayatri Memorial Cup, and umpire Jason Dixon goes with the ball. It is Phil Shamma backing it out for the ball. Shamsir Ali takes it near side back. Daniel meets the ball. Daniel Otmandi. Daniel, he's got Siddhant watching over him. Phil Seller trying a hand on the near side. It is Daniel still with the ball. Daniel Otmandi. Shamma backing him up. Forwards are there. Aryaman. Savir is being marked there by Himmat. It is Daniel and Siddhant. Siddhant has been in there. Phil Seller. It's two orange and one white. It is Daniel making his way. He is dribbling, playing hockey on horseback. Daniel Otmandi. Playing at +4 handicap. A player from Argentina. Daniel Otmandi. Excellent pass way forward. And the ball all rolls out of play over the back line. Siddhant taking that hit in from the Nargad and Siddhant Sharma. First tap goes in for a long strike. Couldn't connect very well. It's Phil Seller. Phil picks the ball. Phil Seller. He misses the ball on the bounce. Chamma. Siddhant gets the better. He gets a good hard pump and we have Phil Seller. He's filling up the gap. Siddhant. Penalty 5B. Takes a long kick shot. It is Himmat getting into the attack. Himmat tries for under the next shot. Couldn't connect very well. It is Phil. But we had for Optimus Achievers. Daniel Otmandi. Daniel. First step. It is Daniel. He combines with Shamsir Ali, but Shamsir is marked there by Phil Seller. It is Himmat watching over Daniel. Daniel dribbling, making his way. It is Daniel Otmandi still on the line of the ball. Daniel Otmandi decides to release. He goes in for a long shot there. Excellent pass. It is Aryaman. He is there unmarked. He takes a strike, but not well correctly. It was a deflected shot. And Siddhant turning that game around for Jindal Bedla. Siddhant Sharma. It is Daniel Otmandi turning that game around. Siddhant watching over him very carefully. Daniel trying to control that bouncing ball. Siddhant gets the better of him. He's got Phil Seller giving him support. It is Siddhant takes a good long shot there across the grandstand. It is Shamsir Ali. Syed Shamsir Ali on the back. Phil Seller. Venkatesh Jindal, Aryaman. Venkatesh on the near side, working hard, playing a brilliant game. Venkatesh Jindal on the near side. It is Daniel on the ball. Daniel Otmandi once again. Siddhant, Daniel along the board. It is Daniel across the grandstand. It is Daniel missing the ball on the bounce. Savir getting the better of Siddhant. It is Savir, Merat Godara. Savir making a good run there all by himself. Savir. First step. Siddhant releasing the ball on a long lofted shot. Excellent pass onto his forward. Venkatesh. It is Daniel Otmandi. Venkatesh on the near side. Phil Seller. Daniel Otmandi. And umpires whistle. Daniel Otmandi. First step. Shamma backing him up. It is Daniel, Himmat. And umpires whistle. Only for Optimus Achievers. Please let's penalty shot की तैयारी Daniel Otmandi. Nice and easy. Daniel very confident getting that fourth goal for Optimus Achievers. कामयाब रहे Daniel Otmandi. I could leave a Memorial Cup 6 goals. Umpire holding the ball. Phil Daniel and umpire whistle. Siddhant Sharma. First tap. Phil decides to back him up. Shamsher watching over him. He gives it for Phil. Phil Sela picks the ball. Phil Sela making a good run. Shamsher Ali. Shamma marking him. Siddhant on the near side. Siddhant trying to collect the ball. Daniel Otmandi gets the better. Daniel. He gets onto the ball. Daniel is dribbling hard. He's got Siddhant watching over him very carefully. Siddhant gets the better. Takes the back. Siddhant. And we have Phil Sela and Shamma. Good sportsman spirit. Well done, Siddhant. And back to the game with Shamma. Shamsher Ali. He decides to release the ball. Long strike onto his forward. It is Savir getting into the attack. Savir is marked there by Siddhant. Siddhant working hard. Savir on the near side. Savir मेरा गुड़ा रहा and के पेड़ में यार शांति रात में चढ़ के. All right. Siddhant takes a long shot there. Excellent pass on to Himmat. Himmat. He checks. He's waiting. He passes it on to Phil Sela. He's got Savir watching over him. Savir takes a brilliant near side back. Savir mera gudara. Himmat Pedla near side back couldn't connect very well. It is Shamma. Phil tries a hand, couldn't connect the ball. Saeed Shamsher Ali. Shamma. Siddhant. Phil. Siddhant. Shamma takes a cracking shot, but he gets the horse. Phil going up front. Siddhant takes a strike, couldn't connect very well. He's still on the line of ball. Shamma, he gets rid of Shamma, trying to get onto the ball. Siddhant takes a long shot there. It is Daniel defending for Optimus Achievers. Daniel Otmandi. He's got Himmat and Siddhant, but he turned that game around. Daniel also a player to watch very carefully. Siddhant Sharma fighting hard. It is Daniel for Optimus Achievers. He turned that game around. Taking a long strike. Excellent pass onto Savir. He got Himmat. Himmat rides him off. Himmat Pedla. Phil Sela. Phil looks back, takes it back. Deflected of the horse. It is advantage to Daniel Otmandi on the ball. Daniel. Siddhant watching over him very carefully. Phil. First to the out with 30 seconds to go. Phil Sela. Phil. Shamma. Shamsher Ali. Phil Sela. Venkatesh on the near side. It's Ariman marking Venkatesh. Daniel Otmandi. Siddhant. Daniel. Ariman. Daniel asking to leave the line. We come to the end of the third shot. Little Vedla at 5.5. Optimus Achievers at 4. Polo. Umpire rules in the ball. Ball in play. Shamsher Ali. He is looking for a goal. He's got Himmat watching over him. He tries hard. And he just about missed the mark. Shamsher Ali के द्वारा कामयाब नहीं रहे. Siddhant taking that hit in from the stadium and Siddhant Shamma marking him. Both very experienced polo players. Both have played at World Cup level. Siddhant and Shamma. It is Shamsher Ali. और 60 at 20 60 at 20 शॉट की तैयारी में शमशेर अली रहुली बाबा निशाने से चूक Siddhant taking that hit from the stadium and Siddhant Sharma he releases the ball on a long strike on to Phil but It is Daniel. Daniel defending for Optimus Achievers. He is defending and scoring. It is Daniel. He's got all the 4 goals to his credit. It's Daniel Otmandi. He's once again on the run. He's got Phil Seller marking him. It is Daniel. Daniel. He's backed up by Siddhant. Takes a back. Venkatesh. Himmat on a back. Savir. Miraj Gudara. Savir. Flicks it under the next shot. And he just about missed that. दाहिने हाथ को जितने दर्शक गोल के आसपास हैं आपसे निवेदन है उस सब थोड़ा दूर हो जाए. अभी भी अंपायर साहब ने आपको टोका था. Hariman takes a brilliant back. It is Sharma picking the ball for Optimus Achievers. Siddhant Sharma. Siddhant defending. He misses the ball in the bounce. And Shamshir Ali. Umpire Jason Dixon rolls in the ball. It is Siddhant and Daniel. Siddhant. Daniel takes a brilliant back. A good pass on to Chamma. Phil Seller gets the better near side back. Savir beats the ball. It is Chamma. Chamma getting the ball. Shamshir Ali. He is marked there by Siddhant. Chamma making a run. Chamma on the back. Daniel Otmandi and umpire's whistle. Shamshir Ali takes a long whack on the ball, but not well directed, and the ball goes out of play. 5.5 to 5, fourth and final chukker, ladies and gentlemen. This is the best excitement you can have. Siddhant takes a long shot. Good release on the ball to Phil Seller. Gets the better. He misses the ball on the bounce. It is Venkatesh claiming his line. It is Himmat Vedla. Daniel Otmandi. Venkatesh, Savir gets hold stick on him. It is Daniel and Phil Seller. And he invites. He's backed up by Shamshir Ali. He leaves it for Chamma. They combine very well. It is Phil Seller watching over Chamma. Chamma takes a long strike. And it is Phil Seller. Daniel decides to turn. This Daniel Otmandi. He plays at +4. It is Phil Seller playing a brilliant game also. Rao Himmat Vedla. Chamma. He got Venkatesh marking him. Shamshir Ali dribbling, making his way. And he misses. Siddhant takes that hit in. Takes a long shot but deflected off his own horse. And it is Chamma getting the advantage. Shamshir Ali. Phil and Siddhant both watching over him very carefully. Chamma takes her under the next shot. And it goes. Goal. Jason rolls in the ball. Himmat Vedla. Savir tries for a near side back. Phil Seller. Daniel and Siddhant racing with time. It is Siddhant. Savir. Now Himmat Vedla. Himmat. And a goal. Vedla with Jindo, Phil Seller, Siddhant Sharma. Optimus Achievers के लिए Hariman Singh, Savir Miraj Gudara, Shamshir Ali, Daniel Otmandi. Daniel with the ball. He is marked by Siddhant. Clock ticking. Fourth and final chukker. 6.5 to 6. He tries for a long shot, couldn't connect very well. He gets back to the ball. Daniel. Look at that beautiful horse he's riding. Siddhant on a back. It is Shamshir Ali. Clock ticking. He decides, takes a long shot there. On to Daniel Otmandi. And we have the final hooker. आज की विजेता राजमाता गायत्री देवी मेमोरियल कप जिंदल Vedla, team in orange. Heartiest congratulations, game very, very well played. In fact, by both the teams and all the players, the winners, Jindal Bedla, Rao Himmat Singh Bedla, Venkatesh Jindal, Phil Seller and Siddhant Sharma. And ladies and gentlemen, let me remind you and request you to please keep seated until we are done with the presentation ceremony. Only then after that will be the games. Veterans Polo Club, Polo Factory, Code Silver, SDMH. And we have now the winners across the grandstand. A big round of applause for Mr. Bedla, Rao Himmat Singh Bedla, Venkatesh Jindal, Phil Seller and Siddhant Sharma. Heartiest congrats. Hospital, Bollywood, House of Boss and Vizuba. We thank our sponsors. So this was the first finals of the first tournament for the Jaipur Polo season 2026. So ladies and gentlemen, kindly keep seated until we are done with the presentation ceremony. After that, the gates will be opened to the adjoining lawns for high tea. Thank you. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're ready for the presentation ceremony. And the finals are organized by the World Cup. We are honored to have Rashtrapati Ambikaji, Aryaman Singh, proud son of Captain A.P. Singh from the Indian Navy. ये हमारे युवा खिलाड़ी हैं भाई और बहनों, ये 14 साल के हैं, आगे इनसे बहुत उम्मीद है कि अच्छे खिलाड़ी बनेंगे, नाम कमाएंगे। इनके पिताजी कैप्टन A.P. सिंह नौसेना में काम करते हैं। Sahav Mehraj Budara, also another player, upcoming player, a bright future. You see, he is the proud son of Dhropal Budara and Vidya Budara, making into a brilliant polo player. He is very well played. Saeed from Hyderabad, Shamma Bhai, ने बहुत प्यार से लोग बाग अपनी दोनों पोतियों के साथ, with lovely two granddaughters, Saeed Shamsir Ali. Played back for the Optimus Achievers is Daniel Otmandi. Game very, very well played, sir. Daniel Otmandi. He was defensive and attacking. He's got 4 goals to his credit, 2 goals to the credit of Saeed Shamsir Ali, Daniel Otmandi, and a player from Argentina. Very, very well versed with Jaipur and playing conditions in India. And the winners, Jindal Bedla, Rao Himmat Singh Bedla. Well done, congratulations. Himmat, the party is on tonight. Himmat just whispered to me, yes, Baba, I come with the Rambagh party is on the team. Proud winner, Jindal Bedla. He's one of the petrol of his team. Next, I would call upon Mr. Venkatesh Jindal, another player in the making. We're seeing a bright future out of him. Very well played, sir. He's the proud son of Mr. Naveen Jindal. From the Jindal Steels, also Mr. Naveen Jindal, a member of Parliament. Next, calling upon Mr. Phil Seller. Mr. Phil Seller, he plays at +2. The game very well played, Phil. He filling gaps very, very well. And playing back for the Jindal Medla is none other than Mr. Siddhant Sharma. Congratulations, Siddhant. His day is made. Newly married. Heartiest congratulations, Siddhant Sharma. Raj Purani, Ambikaji doing the honors. Requesting upon the umpire. अंपायरों के लिए भी कुछ ताली हो जाए भाई. Jason Dixon, Mr. Howard Smith, both professional guys from United Hindu, keeping a good control, good check. And many times, Jason sir, I keep telling the Janata of Jaipur that you are very strict. He's the most valuable player. Congratulations, Himmat. Very well played. Well done. So this is double party. Well done, most valuable player. And the best polo pony, the player, घोड़े को आगे लाओ. आज के इस मैच की सबसे सर्वश्रेष्ठ घोड़ी, इसका नाम है रणचेरा. She is from the Jindal Slots. Congratulations, Venkatesh. रणचेरा. आज के इस मैच की सबसे सर्वश्रेष्ठ घोड़ी और इसके मालिक हैं मिस्टर वेंकटेश जिंदल. इसको खेलते हैं सिद्धांत शर्मा. कंग्रेचुलेशंस भाइयों. तालियां कौन बजाओ कहीं भाइयों बहनों. शानदार खेल खेला गया. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. आइए सर. आइए सर. Thank you, sir. Again. Thank you. Until we start next tournament, Cognivera Cup.